We out here, the Mark 4, 2002, 2.0. My boy Anthony, getting that work in. What are we out here doing? Enlighten us.
Doing some maintenance.
What are we changing out?
Oh man, you're gonna put me on the spot, man.
I'm
Come
putting
on,
you on the spot.
bro.
You don't want to be on the spot.
Come on, man.
We changing out the O2 sensor.
The O2 sensor. That's
Right now, we're using a 10mm to get off the plastic cover. 2 bolts, just comes right off. Little cover. Let me turn the flash on. Here's the connector. You just take it out, disconnect it, and then the fucking downstream O2 sensor is right here. You just take that off with the, we got a specific tool for taking off O2 sensors. So once you get your cover off, you got 2 of them. It's this upper one. You just slide it out, disconnect it, put your new one in. So we got a replacement Bosch O2 sensor, and let's hope this fixes the problem. We got our O2 sensor tool. Slides on. Really easy. I actually had to go get the 1/2" ratchet for the O2 sensor tool. It did not fit the 3/8, so I had to go get the 1/2".
I'm out here chilling. Yeah. Straight up, huh? You haven't, now I realize. Well, you go Sunday. You know, I want you to talk to her. Dang it. Just, you know, top it up. Like I did for you. Do it for me, please. You know? 'Cause I had forgot about it and I had to clear everything up. I couldn't clear everything up, but, you know, I know, you know what I'm saying? You know, it ain't no agreeing on your end. You feel me? So I just, you know, so I chopped it up with her, let her know how I felt about it, you know, and how we both felt about it. You know. She had told me, she had taken it. I was like, oh yeah? I had a smirk like a motherfucker. She said, you ain't take it. It ain't no problem with this. I know she probably, you know, it was fun, man.
Alright, time to screw in the new O2 sensor. It comes with the shit already on the threads, thankfully.
Alright, last step, take your O2 sensor tool and tighten the O2 sensor back up nice and snug. Put her back down, erase the trouble code, and let's hope it doesn't come back. I'm driving it now. It's only been about 2 miles, if that, so I'm not sure if the check engine light is going to come on yet. I'll keep you posted. So unfortunately the check engine light did come back on. I scanned the code. It's only throwing P0420, so I did some more research. Everyone says most likely a bad catalytic converter. The other two culprits could be a bad O2 sensor or a leak in the exhaust system, but I tried the O2 sensor obviously, so that's not it. So I checked out Scotty Kilmer's channel. He says throw some lacquer cleaner in the tank, drive it, and it should hopefully clean the catalytic converter a little bit to where the check engine light goes off. And that's what I did, so let's hope she goes off.